Here's another technique using the Textures Wildflowers Layering Cloud Stencil. This one is creating a night sky. So I've placed the bolder of the two stencils down onto a pale blue cardstock, and I've filled in all the gaps with a dark blue Distress Oxide here. Now I'm going to, also while the stencil is in place, I'm going to flick some white paint over the sky. So we've just created the sky with dark blue, leaving the clouds pale blue. So just flicking on there, you need to allow that to dry so as not to smudge it. I did take my heat gun to it after removing my stencil and just dried that off a little bit more just to make sure that I didn't smudge anything with the next stage. Then the next layer is to add in the detail for the clouds. Now this time we're going to put a really dark colour, and that's going to be black soot in the Distress Oxide range to fill in all the shadows that would form underneath the clouds at night time. So it's as if the shine from the moon is going to be sort of hitting the very tops of the clouds, giving them the pale blue look, and the black underneath is going to be those shadows. So you'll get some lovely multi-tonal effects throughout this night sky. So just wipe all the excess away, and there we have it. I'm just going to blend these out a little bit just to smooth out some of those edges, and that's my night sky ready to use for a greeting card. So just trim that down to size and then probably just place something like a simple sentiment over the top.